It's yummy. It's eating time. I can't believe you're win, Danny, that one. You know how to do it already.
Wanna play again?
Later. Hello, 47, Danny. Say hi. 47 viewers. Hamid have like that?
We have 6,000.
You have 6,000 viewers?
Mm.
Wow, I love it.
Khoy, but look at this.
Hmm?
Look. I tell you why I took this. We have to give it to this, guys.
Oh,
I have to give it to the bee.
okay.
Because if you don't give it to the bee,
Because.
if you don't give it to the bee, your plants won't be pollinated.
Okay. Hello. Only one say hi to us, but all of them are watching only. Watching. Thank you for the likes. 28 viewers, hello.
Guys, me and my friends have a channel all together. I have 6,000 viewers.
Sana on. Who made the good editing, right? Editors.
Yeah.
I'm the nanny of Danny for 11 years, right, Danny? Do you want to go to Philippines with me?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No, you will visit me there if I'm go home. Because I have a new house for you. I have a dog there. I have a cat.
You have a dog?
Yeah.
I want to go now.
I wanna go now. But you know, in the Philippines, some dog he bite the kids and the kid is died. Because there's a rabies. You know, animals have a rabies. It can kill
What
you.
is rabbits?
Like can kill you. The dog is very dangerous, or animals if they are not.
What is the most dangerous animal in the Philippines?
Dangerous animals?
In the Philippines, the most dangerous. Eh?
There's a lot of dangerous. I don't know.
Just name one, you know.
Snake.
This is what I'm gonna do to them. Put it down. Just spray. Just,
I don't.
I'm gonna do to
I
them.
don't want.
I'm gonna do something on the
Okay.
couch. Come on.
Sadang. Isa. So pag hindi ka Ay.
She, you know, Maria. You know.
Ah.
You know, Maria is one of the world's best pincher. She pinched better than a crab.
Princess.
No! She pinched me.
Ay, Dani. Dani.
Say no karate, right?
You choke me.
Say no karate.
Yeah, you know that. Dani, you choke me. You choke. Yala, come here. Eat.
This is what I'm gonna do to the snake.
Eat na, eat. Yala. You know, if you eat, you have a lot of advertise in the world.